Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shweta and today's video is a little different. Why? Because we have someone very special. Someone who is a huge part of my life and she is coming all the way from Allahabad. So let's welcome her.
Great as usual. Can't you see?
Of course, looking
Thank you.
fantastic.
Hi guys, hello. I am Shatakshi and I am Shweta's most mature friend. Am I right or am I right?
Yeah, you're right. So we met in college 10 years ago.
And I think we were roommates for 3 years.
No, bro, 4 years.
Oh my god. I think time is a man-made construct. I don't really believe in it.
Can we please start the video?
Sure. So the first question is a very basic question and it is what were our first impressions of each other?
Minus. I think she's very tomboyish and we are poles apart and I think you know that. If I want to go right, she will probably go left. Initially, when we were, I met her in college initially, and the day I saw her, she was my batchmate. I'm like, इससे तो मेरी दोस्ती कभी नहीं हो सकती. मतलब, no, bro, we are so different. मुझे, you love trekking. I hate trekking. I love dancing, and
I love dancing.
Okay, one
And
thing
I'm
we
a
have in
great
common.
I'm a great dancer.
Not better than me, that's for sure.
I agree to that.
So yeah, initially मुझे नहीं लगता था that हमारी दोस्ती मतलब 10 साल बाद still we'll be here making a video. Now your turn.
Okay, so my first impression of her.
धक्का को ले रहा है मेरे को.
When I met her, I thought that she's really very loud and chirpy. And how do I explain it? Let's say if I am a sparrow, then she's a parrot. I'm not a regular kind of a parrot. वो तोता जिसको आप कुछ बोलना सिखाओ, hello, कैसे हो? That parrot will only catch on the obnoxious, abusive words.
Okay, let's move on.
And
Okay, now.
and will repeat it, and will keep repeating it at a very loud decibel.
And now we are moving on. Question number 2. Did you enjoy living with me? Picking a roommate sometimes, it's very difficult for
I
a
agree.
lot of people. I mean, you have to be very wise कि आप किसको चुनते हो, किसके
Yeah.
साथ रहते हो. Since I was not smart enough, I picked you. Now tell me what you think.
What do I think? Does that matter? But anyways, of course. What do I think? I think it was a very painful experience, but since my threshold for pain is huge, is really huge,
But
I would say I had a really good time with you.
plus, I think we always had each other's back. Yeah, come on.
And we did learn a lot from each other.
Yeah, for instance, I learned how to cook and how to enjoy your own company. What did you
Yeah,
learn?
she just couldn't live without me, but I taught her how to be an individual person. I learned how to live life with more joy. She's such a vivacious person, and she taught me how to be more open and more social. When I came here, I think I was a bit reserved, but when I started spending time with her, she can also make friends very easily. So she made a lot of friends, and then I would just go out and hang with her friends. But मेरे भी दोस्त थे. She was a very open and a very social person. So we had a lot of people to hang out with because of her. Because she introduced me to them. And we used to have house parties and it was fun.
Crazy
College,
times, bro.
yeah, college was such a carefree.
One of the best days I had with you,
Yeah,
honestly.
yeah. We did assignments together. She copied all my assignments.
You're not supposed to tell that.
Why?
Why?
Why? She copied all my assignments. Not that I did them by myself, but yeah, we had a lot
both
of fun.
used to copy. Come
from
on.
from where? I copied from.
I don't want a name.
Yeah.
It's fine.
I didn't copy my assignments. I did some of them by myself, and some of them I just did together.
Also, what do you think? अगर हमारे पास उस time ChatGPT होता, तो हमारी life easy होती.
So I don't think so. So I think we are very lucky कि we have been able to study. We have before AI came, because I think what is AI doing at the moment is it is affecting our thinking muscle. और अगर हम assignments भी, because सारे young people they are doing assignments using AI, you are losing your thinking muscle very quickly. So I'm really glad and I feel really privileged that we got a chance to study before this
AI boy.
AI revolution. And yeah,
We are non-AI kids.
we are non-AI kids. Okay, so question 3. When did you last cry, my friend?
I
Serious question.
It is actually a serious question. Uh, I think day before yesterday I cried, bro. I mean, late 20s can be very tough and it can be very overwhelming. I think for most of
I'm
us.
very overwhelmed.
Yeah, and I was feeling so directionless कि मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि लाइफ में मैं करूँ क्या, किस डायरेक्शन में मेरी लाइफ जा रही है. द फैमिली एक्सपेक्टेशंस, यार ये तो मेरी एज का है, ही और शी इज डूइंग सो गुड, वेयर यू स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग,
Yeah,
राइट?
comparison is a real
Yeah.
thief of.
Even though you say that do not compare yourself with others, but eventually there are days where you end up comparing, man, and it is
Yeah.
quite disturbing. And I
So
think I just cried. So, which is okay. I think crying is not a sign of weakness, guys. If you want to cry, just cry out loud.
Cry, cry.
When did you last cry? Huh? Cry.
When did I last cry?
You have a oregano in your teeth.
Show your teeth. You cleaned?
I want to keep this. Where is it? Is it gone? Okay, it's yours. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone.
Embarrassing.
Okay, now so tell me, when did you last cry?
Crying? What is crying? I don't cry. What is crying?
Bro, everybody cries. Okay,
Sure.
don't hide.
My frequency is very easily once in 3 months. Last time that I cried, it was probably a month ago when I had a very long day at work and I came back home and then I chose to go to the gym because I'm super disciplined. And then for gym, maybe it was a lot of hard work. It was legs and shoulders. And I just came back home and I felt a sense of emptiness. I mean, probably that's what being single
That's to you.
can sometimes do it. I do not want to shy away from talking about. There are times when you do feel that you're alone, right?
Everybody,
we
I
all,
think, yeah,
all
yeah.
of us feel that we are alone, and probably that was the day when I just felt that I did not. I felt a sense of emptiness in my very precious heart. So I scrolled through my phone and I saw all the contacts. Though I'm blessed with very good friends, but that day I just couldn't understand how to, like, who to pick and who would understand that feeling, and I didn't even know how to articulate what I was feeling. So yeah, I just had one tear like this.
But I think what you feel, honestly, I'm sure a lot of people out there are feeling right now, and we have our eyes peach tea.
Yeah, thank you. Do you wanna
Have a
try
sip? Yeah.
first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that if it is.
Ladies first.
So you accept that you are.
I'm also a lady, but I'm a gentle lady. So I let other ladies try first. That's what gentle women do.
It's good. It's
Yeah,
yummy.
it's my choice. So we are trying peach iced tea.
Very nice.
I think we both love iced tea.
Yeah,
A lot. We love iced tea.
Another thing which we have in common is iced tea. Huh?
How much would you rate it on a scale of 5?
4.5.
For me, it's a good 4. It's really nice. Iced teas are so refreshing and such a nice
It's
drink
cold
to have.
also, and
Yeah.
it's quite refreshing. Yeah. Yeah, but that is so good.
Love it. I think we would after
Go for
this
a swim.
might go for a swim in the pool.
Let's go. Okay, moving on to our next question. Have you moved on from your ex?
Yes. Yes. I move on like this. So I think for me, in most cases, ऐसा नहीं है, I've dated a lot of people.
I am
I-
the living proof. Essay.
You verified this. Yeah, you think I move on very fast?
Bro, like max a week you take, which is a blessing. I mean, it takes guts. Wherein I have serious detachment issues, like
Real
big
issues.
time. I'm
Real
still
issues.
moving on. Like I'm trying, but I have not completely moved on. And yet again, you can see that we are poles apart.
You will very soon.
We will.
Next question is, what is our favorite activity together?
Bro, it has to be the same. Come on. On the count of 3, 2,
one, cleaning.
It is the weirdest thing I feel two best friends could ever do. What do you think?
I really love cleaning.
With
And
me.
yeah, with you and Vessel in life in general, I think both of us are very uh, difficult people to deal with.
Yes.
Others have a lot of issue when they are living with us because we are very rigid. We want the floors to be swept white. We want the floors to be mopped white, fresh.
Everything has to be just perfect and wait.
एंड बी ओवर क्लीन हम क्लीन करने के बाद भी उसको भी क्लीन करते रहते हैं तो दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम आई थिंक वी शुड रियली वर्क ऑन इट
I think it just calms our minds, bro. I really think. I
Yeah.
mean, cleaning, washing dishes or whatever. I think it really helps to calm your brain. And plus, it is not even funny that people offer us कि हम ये कर देते हैं, हम वो कर देते हैं, but we are so rigid. We are like नहीं हम खुद से करेंगे.
हमें अपना सफाई किया
अपने
हुआ
हाथों से
ही
ही पसंद
है वी आर नॉट आंटीज ओके बट we are turning older I'm resonating so much with our mothers and older women who
Why they
are
always clean the house, by themselves, and why
Yeah.
they never like a maid's cleaning, because I think.
but I'm okay with the maids cleaning like I'm
But you'll
not-
keep a very close eye.
Yeah, I mean, not really. We enjoy cleaning together. We play
Yeah.
music in the background. We sing our songs. What song did we used to sing a Taylor Swift song. Look what you make me do.
Oh yeah.
Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. So I think we are living together for an extended number of days after a very long time. We met here and there in the
4
middle.
years, I think.
Yeah, we went on a trip also last year to Uttarakhand, Almora. That was also so much fun.
Crazy.
Yeah, and but साथ में यहाँ पे घर पे I think हम लोग बहुत टाइम बाद रह रहे हैं and as soon as I came here I said श्वेता ये जंक क्यों है इधर इसको तुरंत साफ करो ये हम साफ फिर हमने पूरा दिन लगा के उसको साफ किया and
The entire day we were just
we were
cleaning.
just cleaning. Cleaning is a thing, which is
Yeah.
great. We like it. We enjoy it. We find it.
I think that's our me time. That's
Yeah.
our time.
Yeah.
Moving on to the next question. What is that one quality you admire about her?
Admire? Oh my god, I have to admire this woman now. It's a very tough task. Anyways, I will answer. So what I admire in this woman is that number one, whenever she enters a room, she fills the room with so much laughter and joy. So she has a very positive energy. As I said that she's a parrot, so she's just singing and chirping and dancing. So she's very lively, and that is where I resonate with her a lot because I'm also that person, but in a different way.
Yes.
And second thing is we have a lot of friends, but you are different with each friend. A different part of your personality comes out. With her, I don't have to have any filter. I don't have to have any curtain. It's like a open show. I'm fully naked. I'm fully naked in front of this person, quite literally and metaphorically. Yeah. So I don't have to think what to say. I don't have to. I'm quite vulnerable with her. I do not think twice. I do not think twice before. कुछ भी हो सकता I don't think if she's going to judge me. And she is quite critical of me. ऐसा नहीं है that she's always, promoting me or she always says yes to even my stupid stuff. And you should not have friends जो आपकी हर चीज़ में yes बोल रहे हैं. You should have very honest friends, and she is that one person for me. If I'm doing something wrong, she on the face she will say, "This is not what you should do."
गलत है, don't do it, bitch.
Yeah, she will warn me. Even with men, she'll say, "No, this is not your vibe." I might be blinded. I might not know.
Initially, I think that's the case. You're
Yeah.
like, yeah, this. I'm like, bro, he's not your type. Stay the fuck away from him.
Yeah, so she warns me. She knows it. Because this person is not my type, and she would warn me. Same with work, jobs that I take. So she really gets me. So very safe, non-judgmental space. And yeah, so this is. I think I gave a lot. 2 things I gave. She asked for 1, I gave 2.
For me also, I think she has been the safest place. I can go and tell her and share anything and everything with her without even thinking कि ये मुझे judge करेगी. मतलब It could be anything in the world. Maybe अगर इसी का कुछ है, I will go. I'm like, bro, I hate you for this. Like yesterday only, something happened, and I texted her, I hate you. She did not even reply. But I knew the moment she will come back at home, we'll hug and we'll sleep peacefully. And that's exactly what happened. We
Yeah.
did not even talk about it that we were angry or I
Yeah,
was
because I
angry.
apologized on the phone. I was late and she had to. I took the keys and she came.
With crying emoji, but when she entered, she was all like, "आ गए तुम?" Apology.
Yeah, I apologize.
So yeah, coming back to my answer. And second thing is, I really, really admire you that you are someone who can enjoy her own company to the fullest. Like I can also now because I've learned it from you. But max to max 2-3 घंटा I'm fine enjoying my own company. But after that I want to do something else. You know, I want to move on to doing something else. Wherein
Yeah.
you भाई इसको 24 घंटा एक कमरे में छोड़ दो, she will be the happiest. I don't know how you do it, man.
Humans are annoying.
Excuse me. Like I'm sitting right here and you're like
No,
humans.
I love some of my friends.
Okay, let's move on to our next question. What are the red flags you tolerated in men? Oh my god.
Question आ गया दोस्तों. Serious question आ गया ये तो. Okay, so what I tolerated in men. Lot of things, guys. But one thing that stands out and which I would never ever do again is mothering. So I just felt that in my previous relationship, I took a lot of emotional burden to run the relationship, and I used to over express and over communicate. And yeah, I think that's quite common. Most women,
Yeah.
somehow, when I speak to my friends, that is what they're dealing with. We are just mothering these creatures and writing, though I do not anymore, but I was this person who used to, write paragraphs and explain stuff and basically teaching.
No, I think I 100% agree with this mothering part because, you know, my other circle also, most of the times girls are telling me कि I am, literally mothering the guy. And I'm like, why? Because, he has a mother, guys.
You are not the mother.
You are not the
You are
mother.
not the
Let
mother.
her do the job.
Yeah.
And I don't know, understand why, girls are tolerating. I'm sure we also did, but I think we realized.
Yeah, because we are very generous and we are empathetic and are we? But yeah, in general, women are very uh, giving in nature as compared to men.
Men, yeah.
So we somehow give a lot of ourselves, and it takes away a lot of emotional energy. And I'm very happy to be
Yeah.
a single person. I'm really enjoying this part of my life where it's just me, and I get to spend a lot of time by myself. I don't have to call anyone. I don't have to. Though I have not been with people who would, call a lot or something. I would never tolerate that shit.
That's why she's single now.
Yeah, it's fun. I love this part of my life where I can just be me, spend a lot of time with my girlies, spend time with my family, and I enjoy it. Yeah.
I think it's better to be single rather than dating such, guys. Honestly, I mean, for me also one of the biggest red flag in a guy is, when you have to mother him. It is such a thing, yaar. I mean, he is mature enough to take his decisions, right? He's
Yeah,
mature
you
enough.
are. They are literally our age. Some of them are even older than us, and
Yeah.
they don't know shit.
And we are explaining them, कि,
And very basic things like planning a day. अभी हमें यहाँ जाना है, हमें ये खाना है. To little things like let's say if you're going on a trip, some of them they just leave it all on you, and that's a lot of labor, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I think there should always be
a
a
balance.
balance. Yeah, that's what
100%.
we both of us
have
really
realized now,
have
and that's why we are
realized
single
we
now.
believe in equal relationships and not just financially. Though I don't believe in 50-50.
Even I don't believe
In 50-50, but I think there should be some equal division of labor in terms of the logistics of a relationship of
Emotionally also, I think.
100%. वहाँ तो लगी पड़ी है.
वहाँ तो 100% और है हमारा.
वहाँ खत्म है भाई.
I, like she said, I agree. Like first being the mothering part, and second, I think dating a guy who doesn't have balls to take a stand for you. I mean, it's a complete no
Disaster.
it's a really it's a disaster. I mean, how can you date a boy, I would say here, भाई जिसकी दम ही नहीं है कि वो तुम्हारे लिए खड़ा हो सके जब टाइम आए. आई मीन it's very difficult if you're dating such a guy, then I'm sure your life would be very difficult, you know, कि एक relationship में sometimes you expect, you know, कि
Yeah.
तुम्हारा partner है to support you, or you
And
know,
there is nothing called no expectations.
There
Come on,
are
we all expect
expectations.
from each other. There has
even
to
guys have, they just don't
Yeah,
accept
yeah,
it. Yeah, they're like हमें तो कोई expectation, bullshit bro, they have it.
we all are humans. We all are expecting things from each other.
Stop mothering girls, and please look for red flags, don't ignore.
I don't know why are we straight. If I had this choice where I would not choose to be a straight. It's just that biologically I'm straight and I'm for I don't know what reason still attracted to men. But I would never choose to be a straight person.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so next question. If I get arrested for something, what do you think it would be?
Bro, for sure breaking rules. I mean, इसको जहाँ मना होगा ना, ये वहीं जाएगी. अगर मना किया गया कि ये एरिया में नहीं जाना है, इस फॉरेस्ट में नहीं जाना है, she will 110% enter that forest only, that building only, break that barricade only. 100% for sure. Tell me this is right.
So okay, so I'm not breaking any rules as such. It's just that I don't know why nature is not accessible to us. A lot of times they would put a restrict. They will put a board कि यहाँ पे सांप है. They will put a board कि यहाँ पे jaguar है. भाई मुझे तो देखना है जैगुआर, मुझे तो देखना है,
देख पाओगी उसके बाद.
मुझे तो सांप देखना है, मैं तो वही देखने आई हूँ उधर. ये लोग मुझे देखने क्यों नहीं दे रहे? ये सब बोर्ड क्या लगा दे रहे हैं? कम ऑन. सो या आई जस्ट वांट टू एक्सेस नेचर फ्रीली एंड आई डोंट माइंड बीइंग अरेस्टेड फॉर इट.
So I'm right.
एंड आई हैव टू आंसर द सेम थिंग.
Why?
भाई इसको तो निकालेंगे ही नहीं अगर एक बार ले गए तो. I think you would be arrested for getting into a street fight. Easy. She would go on the road if there is a traffic में कोई पुलिस
Or if
traffic.
something is wrong, you know, if something
Yeah.
is just doing wrong to
If
someone
if something is wrong, if someone is doing wrong, and she can't tolerate men passing comments, and she would just straight up, she would not think. A lot of us women, we think कि हमें सीन नहीं क्रिएट करना चाहिए. We get self conscious कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. This woman, she would punch the man in the face. She will break his head using a brick. So she wouldn't. I think she would easily get into a street fight for right reasons because she's my friend. Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me, what is my comfort food? It is very easy. Yeah, come on, you know.
Her comfort food, is it butter chicken? Wait, I think it's rajma chawal.
That's right. I love rajma and jeera chawal, guys. I just love it.
Okay, and you have to answer for me as well.
I think she's like a crazy lover for seafood. Seafood soup bowl, because you're obsessed with soups, I think.
Okay, so I love things which come in a bowl. I love soup, so anything which has a lot of seafood or any sort of a protein, like a protein.
Protein is very important for her.
Yeah, I'm just like, I want to go out and have protein. So prawn soup, like a warm crab soup, or even chicken coriander. I love a lot of lemon flavor, so I love anything with lemon in it. So I think my comfort food is probably a lot of meat with veggies and broth, so soup.
And the irony is, you were just eating a pizza.
Yeah, but I'm not comfortable with her. So I'm not having my comfort food right now. Yeah.
Okay, we'll move on to the next one.
So next question. Okay, how do you think that I would prefer to die?
Oh, bro, that's a tough one. I don't know if I will be right on this.
Guess.
Maybe like a peaceful death, a heart attack, or maybe drowning.
First of all, I'm an excellent swimmer. I would never drown.
Yeah.
And heart attack is peaceful.
I'm just guessing. I'm not sure. Do you know how I would prefer to die? Tell me.
Yes.
How?
You would die probably. Yeah, you will get into a street fight and then a car will hit you.
No fucking way. No, I want to die in my sleep. This is like my ideal,
Like
not there's no ideal, but I think this is how
Death
I
is
would.
not ideal
Yeah,
anyways.
yeah. I think this is how I want कि मैं अपने जब मैं सो रही हूँ and I'm like gone.
Okay.
Yeah.
You wanna have like a very peaceful, slow
Yes,
death where you
yes.
just don't get to know it.
How you want to die?
First of all, I'm immortal. I will never die. But if I die, I would love to die.
Eaten by a zombie?
No, oh, but close. I would love if an animal just attacks me. Let's say I'm swimming and there's a giant shark. It comes and it just eats me up in like one go. Or I'm just frolicking in the forest and there is a panther. He sees, wow, what a show.
Like a food for these animals.
Yeah, I want to be useful. Like I want my body to go back into someone's stomach. Yeah,
Now you know what I'm dealing with.
yeah. So I'll be very happy if a tiger just eats me because I'm sure I'll be delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One thing I agree. Yeah. Sure. Okay. Okay, next question. If I have $10 million, where do you think I would spend?
I think you'll just go out and buy the best car. I don't know a lot about cars, so I don't know which one. But I think she would go buy the best car, or she would just go to New York and live there for however long she could live in those $10 million because she loves that city.
That's correct. I want to go to New York and I want to buy a BMW.
Welcome to New York. There, you should say hi to Mamdani if you ever go there.
I have taken a note. Done.
So, am I right? Would you go to New York and just live there? See, we know each other so well.
But like, I would live in New York for a year or so, and I'll
Okay.
see how that life is, and then maybe I will travel other countries. So yeah, true.
You have to answer. You have to answer the same for me.
First of all, I think you will go mad with that money,
No doubt.
and I think you will travel the world. And you will learn new activities. You would learn how to play a piano or how to maybe a new dance form or something,
Yeah.
And mostly you will travel the entire world. This is what I feel, and you will leave the city life.
That's
Am I correct or am I correct?
You're correct. Bingo.
With this, let's end the video. I think बहुत सारी हम लोग ने एक दूसरे की चीज़ें सही बताया. I think it was so
Yeah, I
good.
think we know each other pretty well.
Yeah, 10 साल यार. My
10 years is a really long time. The saying, if a friendship lasts for 7 years,
It is
then
for
it's,
lifetime.
then it's a true friendship, and I think we have moved beyond that. So
Bro, it was lovely to shoot with you, bro.
always,
Hi.
I'm the best. I'm the best guest that she could have. I'm the first, and I'm the best guest.
Okay, go for it.
Am I right or am I right?
You are right and you are right. You know what to do next.
So now it's time to end the video. If you like this video, then like this video and comment on this video and subscribe, like, subscribe, share, comment, bell, सब कर दो, सब कर दो तुम. And yeah, just follow us on Instagram.
I will put her Instagram ID in the description. Okay.
That's it. Bye bye.